algorithm and draw the flowchart. Write an algorithm and draw the flowchart to print the series -1, 1, -3, 4, 5, 6, up to nth term. In this problem, what will be the ith term here? The first term is -1 and second term 2. Third term, now what will be the ith term in this way? First term is one. Can we write? What is the second term here? What is the second term? 2. If you write -1 square 2. Yeah? What is the third term? -1 to the power in this way, what will be the ith term? -1 to the power I into I. Now can you print the series? Now we write the algorithm for that. What should be the input here? Read n. And number 3, we take I equal to 1. And number 4, you write if less than equal to n, go to step 5. Is print what is the print term? -1 to the power I into I. I equal to, what is the number 6 step? I equal to I plus 1, then go to step 4. What is the number 7 step? Stop. Now try to draw the flowchart of this. Try to draw the flowchart of this. What is the step 1? Start. Then read and is the input. And I equal to 1. What is the 4? If it is no, then stop. If it is yes, if it is no, then directly go to step 7. What is the step 7 is stop. If it is yes, then go to step 5. What is the step 5? Print minus 1 to the power I into I. And next step is I equal to I plus 1, then it's go to again step 4. Next one, you try yourself this one. Write an algorithm and draw the flowchart to print the series. What will be the ith term here? First term is here 1. Second term is minus 2. Third term is 3. What will be the ith term here? Huh? Minus 1.
To the power I minus 1.
But the first term is equal to 1. Second term is minus 2. That means minus 1 into 2. Can you write as a 1 as a minus 1 to the power 0 into 1? What is the third term? What is the third term? Minus 1 to the power 2 into 3. Fourth term minus 1 to the power. What is the fourth term? Minus 1 to the power 4. In this way, what will be the ith term? Minus 1 to the power 1, I minus 1 into I. Now you try yourself for writing algorithm and draw the flowchart yourself. You write the algorithm for that and draw the flowchart for that. Write an algorithm and draw the flowchart to find the summation of the following series. That means you have to find the summation of this one. This one? For this is same of number 1 is the starting of algorithm. What will be the input here? What will be the input here? N, the number of terms. Number 3 step, you take one more variable, one more memory location for store the summation of the series. To store the result, summation of the series is S. And initialized by each value by 0. There are two variables, one is I for counting the number of terms and S for storing the summation of this series. Now you have to find the summation of this series, not you have to result. Number 4 you take number 5 you write print you first you write the algorithm. If I ask you to find the summation of the following series up to 5th term, now what will be the output? Now what will be the result? If you manually calculate the up to 5th term, what will be the result here? Huh? Up to 5th term means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. What will be the result? Huh? 15. That means if you manually calculate, the result is 15. If I ask you to find the summation up to 5th term, the manually calculated result is 15. Yeah. If my algorithm is correct, if I input the value of n is 5, then it should be 15. The output should be 15. If your output is correct, that means your algorithm is correct. Yes. Now check. What is the value of n is 5. And I is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0. Up to this portion, number 3 step, n is equal to 5, I is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0. Now, if 1 is less than equal to n, that is 1 is less than equal to 5, yes. So, S equal to S plus I. Now, what is the current value of S? S is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. What is the number 6 step? I is equal to I plus 1. So, what is the value of I? I is equal to 1 plus 1, now 2. Again go to step 4. Now, that 2 is less than equal to 5, yes. So, what is the next value of S? So, S is equal to S plus I. What is the former value of S? Is 1. What is the current value of I is 2. S 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That next step is I equal to I plus 1. The I equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then again it's go to step 4. Now value of I is 3. 3 is less than equal to 5, yes. So it again S is equal to S plus I. What is the value of S is 3 and I is 3. So is equal to 6. Next value of I is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 is less than equal to 5, yes. So it will print S equal to 6 plus 4, 10, and I equal to 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is not less but equal to 5. But 5 is not less but equal to 5. So yes, it is S is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And I is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now this condition is true or false? 6 is not less, not equal to 5. So it's go to step 7. What is the step 7 here? Print S. What is the current value of S? 15. That means it will output, it will print the value 15. Your manually calculated result is also 15. Yes? So your algorithm is correct. It's perfect. Now can you draw the flowchart for this algorithm? Step 1 is start. Then step 2 is read and third is the processing. I equal to 1 and S equal to 0. Next step is the decision box. Is I is less than equal to N. If it is no, then print S. So you write here print S. If it is yes, then you can write in the same step S equal to S plus I and I equal to I plus 1. If I input the number of terms is 0, then what should be the result? If I input the number of terms is 0, then what should be the result? For this series, if I input the value number of terms is 0, what is the problem? You have to find the summation of the following series up to n term. If n is 0, then 0. Here is check. If n is 0, now this condition is false. 1 is not less, not equal to 0. Na? You directly go to step 7. The print S. What is the value of S is 0. That means it will print the value of 0 and stop. What is the factorial of a number? What is this? 3 into 2 into 1. What is the factorial of n? That means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dot into 1. In this way. Or you can write 1 into 2 into 3 into dot up to n. Up to n. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into n minus 1 and up to n. Now you do write an algorithm and draw the flow chart to find the factorial of a number. To find factorial of a number. Write an algorithm and draw the flow chart to find factorial of a number. What will be the input here? Again a number, the required number, it may be n, it may be any number. So you give suppose n, read n. That means you have to now find the value of 1 into 2 into 3 into dot dot up to n. Is I equal to 1? That means it is for multiplication, it is a production. So you initialize the variable by 1. For finding summation, you initialize the value by 0. For multiplication is initialize it by 1. You suppose select fact. You take one variable fact and initialize it by 1. Here you write the step fact equal to fact into I. Fact equal to fact into I. And number 6 you again the same, I equal to I plus 1. Are you getting this logic? Huh? It's same. For finding summation, you write the s equal to s plus I. Initialize value of s by 0. For this factorial, you initialize it by 1 and write the step fact equal to fact into I. First, you draw the flowchart for this. Start. If it is no direct, then print the value of fact. It is in the loop. When I is greater than equal to n, then it go to come out of the loop. If I put the value of n is 4, then what should be the result? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes? The factorial of 4 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is the result? It's 24. Now check. I is equal to 1, fact is equal to 1. 1 is less than equal to 4, yes. So fact equal to, fact into I means 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and I equal to I plus 1 is 2. 2 is less than equal to 4, yes. So fact equal to 1 into 2, 2. Next value of I is 3. 3 is less than equal to 4, yes. So fact equal to 2 into 3, 6. 4 is not less but equal to 4. So fact equal to 6 into 4, 24. Next value of I is 5. 5 is not less, not equal to 4. So it will go to the step, come out and print the value of fact. Print 24. Output is 24. Next your homework is this one. 1 by 2. Write an algorithm and draw the flowchart to print the following series. 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 24. Up to nth term. This is your homework. One more algorithm is here. Write an algorithm and draw the flowchart to print the following series. This is called Fibonacci series. 1, 1, 2, 3. What is the uniqueness of this series? Huh? What is the uniqueness of this series? It's 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. This is called Fibonacci series. The third term is 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, and 3 plus 5, 8. For this, you have to take 3 variables. One is for I is equal to 1 is always there. For I is for counting the number of terms. So you take one more old and initialize its value by 1. You take another variable new and initialize value by 1. I, old and new. For print the series, you take another variable current. What is current? Current is equal to old plus new. Every time current is equal to old plus new. This is old and this is new. And this is current. Old plus new, current. For next step, this is old, this is new, and this is current. Yeah? Now, for first time this is old, for this is new. For second time the old will take the value of new, this one, and new will take the value of current. Yeah, and the old plus new is current. And for this term, this is old and this is new and this is current. Every time the current will change. Current will take the old plus new. Old will take the value of new and new will take the value of current, and current is equal to old plus new. Yes? Number 1, start. Try to get this logic, it's a very tough one. Then again read n. N for number of terms, so read n. And number 3, I is equal to 1, old is equal to 1 and new is equal to 1. First take 3 variable I, old and new. I for counting the number of terms and old and new for print the term. In number 4 step you write print old, new. What is the value of old? Is 1. What is the value of new? 1. That means it will already print 2 terms of this series, 1 and 1. It will output 2 terms, no? 1 and 1. That means you already print 2 terms of the series. And how many terms remain to print? There is a n term of your series. In your series there are n terms. You will print 2 terms of this series. Then how many terms remain to print? Suppose you have to print 5 terms. You already print 2 terms of this series. Then how many terms remain to print? 3. That means n minus 2 terms remain to print. So here I write the logic number 5. If I is less than equal to n minus 2, then go to step 6. Current equal to old plus new. Number 7 you write print current. Number 8 you write old is equal to, old will take the value of new first. This equal means the right side value is stored in the left variable, so it's equal. Old is equal to new. Number 9, new will take the value of, in second step, old will take the value of new and new will take the value of current. Number 10 you write your original one, I equal to I plus 1, and there write to go to step 4. Number 11 is stop. Here you write, then go to step 6, else go to step 11. Third, read n, then I equal to 1, old equal to 1 and new equal to 1. Here you write print old comma new. That means you print the value of these two, 1 and 1 of this series. And now you write if I is less than equal to n minus 2. That means your terms are now n minus 2 have to print. So current equal to old plus new. The current takes the value of 1 plus 1, 2. And print current. That means it will print the value 2. Then old equal to new. That old is take the value of this one. Then new will take the value of current 2. And I is equal to I plus 1. The next value of I is 2. Now 2 is less than equal to n minus 2. So it will print the current equal to old plus new. That means current equal to 1 plus 2, 3. First I draw the flowchart for this, then I will check this algorithm. Number 3. I is equal to 1, old is equal to 1 and new is equal to 1. Number 4 you write print number 5 you write there you have to write the go to step not 4, go to step 5. This is step 5 now. If in that flowchart you write the step 5. This is start. Read n, then I is equal to 1, old is equal to 1 and new is equal to 1. Oh, sorry. Then print old comma new. Then you have to use the you will give the circle connector. You used here the connector. For my I use the connector. Sorry. If I is less than equal to n minus 2, if it is no, then stop. So I use the connector here. If it is yes, then what is the step? What is the step? Current equal to old plus new. Then for print current you have to use the separate box. So print current. Then what is the step? Old equal to new equal to current. I equal to I plus 1. Then it's go to step again. if your flowchart is in the same page, then no need to leave the connector. You directly draw the flowchart. I use the connector because suppose I put the value of n is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it should print from 1 to 8. If I put here value of n is 6, then it should print from 1 to 8. Now, what is the value of I is 1, old is 1, new is 1. Now this condition 1 and 1. So it will output 2 terms of this series 1, 1. Now this condition, what is the value of n minus 2? N is 6, then what is the value of n minus 2? 4. So I have to check if 1 is less than or equal to 4. If it is yes, then it will print the current equal to old plus new. That is, what is the value of current now? 1 plus 1, 2. Then it will print the value current. So it will print this 2 here. Then old equal to new. That means what is the value of old? Value of new is 1, so old is 1. Value of current is 2, so new is equal to 2. Yes? Then I equal to I plus 1, that means now value of I is 2. I is equal to 2. So 2 is less than or equal to 4. So 2 is less than or equal to 4. So current is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. And it's print the value 3. Then old equal to 2 and new equal to 3 and I equal to 2 and I equal to 3 now. Then again go to step this one, 3 is less than or equal to 4, yes. So its current is equal to now old plus new, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and it will print the value 5. And then old is equal to, old will take the value new, so 3, new will take the value current, so 5 and I is equal to 4. 4 is not less but equal to 4, so it will print the value current. Current is equal to 3 plus 5, 8 and print the value 8 here. And next step, the old is equal to, what is the next step? Old is equal to 5 and new is equal to 8 and current is equal to, so I is equal to 5. But I is not 5 is not less, not equal to 4. So it will come out and stop. It will print the series up to 6 term and stop. Getting?